What does Elon Musk, a Shiba Inu dog, and Slim Jims have in common? Well, obviously the answer to that question is Dogecoin. That's right, guys. We're talking about Dogecoin on the channel today. What is it? How can you buy it? Should you buy it? And how high is Dogecoin going to go? Is Dogecoin headed to the moon? Rocket emoji, fire emoji, or not? That's what we're going to be breaking down in today's video. If you're new around here, at Touchdown Trades, we talk about all things investing, the top stocks, what stocks should we be watching, crypto, real estate sometimes. So if you're into investing, consider hitting that subscribe button. Dogecoin has been getting tons of attention. Even people who have no idea what cryptocurrency is are talking about Dogecoin. They're trying to buy it, and it has created tons of hype, tons of FOMO surrounding the altcoin. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about it because you need to know what it is. Because when you show up at Thanksgiving dinner and your cousin rolls up with his new Lambo that he bought with his Dogecoin profit, you're going to need to be able to explain to your grandma how your cousin made all that money. So let's get into it. Let's break it down. Before we get started, do me a big favor and everybody destroy that like button, because the like button is not our friend and it is our life mission to destroy it. Take your two fingers and give the like button the snake eye jab in the eye. So if you're watching this video, I would guess that you probably have a minor understanding at the minimum of what cryptocurrency is. If you're interested in Dogecoin, we're not going to go into a big in-depth thing on cryptocurrency. We're going to primarily focus on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is a crypto that was started as a joke by some really smart dude who was working at Adobe. You guys are familiar with Adobe's products. We got Photoshop, we got Premiere, the video editing software. So Jackson Palmer is his name. He was working at Adobe and he was fond of the Doge meme. You guys have all seen the Doge meme, the dog. And so he wanted to create a cryptocurrency. He uses the Doge meme as the namesake of his cryptocurrency. He hits his buddy up who's working at IBM, and the two get started on the project. They basically copy the Bitcoin script word for word. There are some significant changes in the script, but the Doge script and the Bitcoin script look very similar. However, there are some changes. Change number one, there is an infinite supply of Dogecoin. Why is that important? So Bitcoin, you guys are probably familiar that the amount of Bitcoin that are going to be able to be mined is going to slowly drop over the next few years, and it's going to become harder and harder to mine Bitcoin. But with Doge, there is a big supply. There is way more Doge that are being able to be mined versus Bitcoin. And that is important when you're trying to anticipate where a crypto's price is going to go. As it becomes harder for Bitcoin to be mined, that should, in theory, make the price of Bitcoin go higher. If the demand stays the same and the supply decreases, the price goes higher, right? That's just the way price works. But with Doge, right, if the demand stays the same, the supply stays the same or even goes higher, then the price is probably going to stay the same or go down. So that's important to understand. That is a major difference in Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Another difference is that the block time. I'm not going to get into too much detail what block time is, but Dogecoin's block time is 1 minute while Bitcoin's is 10 minutes. So I have a Dogecoin price chart pulled up here, and we can see that this thing has been stupid strong. This thing has went to the moon. Is it headed higher, or is this the peak for Dogecoin? So we can look at the chart. This thing was trading at literally like less than a cent a few months ago. Let's go for a 1 year chart. So this thing was trading for 0.002, and then we had a move all the way up to 3-4 cents. We pulled back, and now we spiked last week all the way up to 43 cents a share. So what is happening here with Dogecoin that has sent it to the moon? Well, you guys are familiar that Elon Musk had been tweeting about Dogecoin. It seemed like every single day he was coming out with another tweet, and that provided a lot of hype around Doge. So that would be this area right here, right? You had this run up. That's where Elon Musk is tweeting. And then over the last week or so, we had the next leg higher. What caused that move higher? Number one, we had SlimJim coming out with their Doge SlimJim. Now, SlimJim, the disgusting little meat sticks. I'm not a fan of putting meat sticks in my mouth. Let me know in the comments section. Do you like SlimJim? Do you like putting meat sticks in your mouth? Let me know down there. I'm not a big fan of SlimJim, but the popular little snack sticks tweeted out that they're going to be coming out with their Doge SlimJim. That created some hype around it. Also, we had the big Coinbase IPO. So Coinbase, you guys know, the platform that allows you to buy, sell, hold, send, receive cryptocurrencies, IPO'd last week. They went public. They're now trading on the stock market, and that created a lot of hype around crypto as a whole. It put the spotlight on the crypto market, which helped Doge to pick up some momentum as well. So you have Elon Musk tweeting about it. You have all the memes on the internet. You have everybody in the world talking about Dogecoin, and then SlimJim kind of gives it some validity with their tweet that they're coming out with the Doge SlimJim, and then Coinbase has its IPO. So it was kind of all dominoes falling at the same time kind of thing, and that's why Dogecoin has been so strong. So is it headed higher? Should you be buying Dogecoin? That's what we're going to be breaking down next. But first, let's talk about where you can buy Dogecoin. So all the usual suspects, all the crypto suspects, you can buy Dogecoin. But one that I want to talk about is number one, Robinhood. You can buy Dogecoin now. And I think these brokers are going to start adding more crypto features to their platforms. But Webull emailed me the other day that they're going to be adding Dogecoin to their platform. If you want 2 free stocks from Webull, it's my stockbroker that I use every single day. I absolutely love Webull. They've partnered with the channel. They're going to give you guys 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. You cannot beat that deal. You're going to be able to buy Dogecoin in the near future. So check out the link in the description for Webull and claim your free money. All right, so is Dogecoin heading higher? And the short-term answer is yes, it absolutely could go higher here in the short term. It could continue to squeeze as it gains more notoriety, as it gets more attention. It could definitely go higher. But long-term, Dogecoin is not going to be the cryptocurrency of choice. That is a 100% fact. Even its founders are not very confident where this thing is headed. They have said that this recent price action is pretty much ridiculous and that they don't understand it. Well, the problem with Dogecoin is that Bitcoin is better. Bitcoin is just better, and Doge has an infinite supply, right? There's not going to be shortages. Doge has infinite supply, which is going to theoretically dilute the float. It's going to make it a bigger float, which is going to make this thing kind of stagnant and fall out of the sky. I think cryptocurrency is great, and I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, but I hate to see people chasing it way up here. If you want to trade it, right, that is different from investing in it. And I'm not offering investment advice. This is just my personal opinion. If you want to trade it, or if I wanted to trade it, yeah, there's definitely going to be trades here. There's volatility here. You could buy it and make a few cents, right? This thing very well could go to $1 per Dogecoin. But long term, it's just not going to happen. It's just not set up to be a good long-term investment. That's not why it was created. Bitcoin, however, is set up to be a good long-term investment in theory. I just think there are better investments in the crypto space versus Dogecoin. But if you want to swing trade it or something like that, I 100% get it. There's going to be volatility, and there's going to be opportunities to make money with Dogecoin in the next few months. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our Dogecoin video. I hope you got something from it. If you did, hit that like button for me. It helps the channel grow. I love all of you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, peace.